Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking baseline. Pinch the area, take a quick photo, and note how it looks now. Once done, improve posture immediately. Sit tall, shoulders back, then start 10-15 minutes of focused activity. Chin tucks, slow neck rotations, and 20-30 brisk steps between sets. Make sure to cut 250 to 500 calories per day with more protein and vegetables. This helps reduce overall fat, which is why local exercises alone won't finish the job. Once you have consistency, ramp up to 3 sets of 12 for chin tucks, neck lifts, and jaw resistance exercises. Perform them with slow control, inhale on release, exhale on effort. Then add 20 to 30 minutes of cardio 4 to 5 times a week, brisk walking, cycling, or swimming to burn calories and lower neck fat. Make sure to include 2 full-body strength sessions weekly because building muscle raises resting metabolism and supports better neck alignment over time. To finish, maintain habits and reassess every 2 weeks with photos and a simple pinch test. Consistency over 8 to 12 weeks shows true results. If you see minimal change after that time, consult a certified trainer or clinician to rule out thyroid issues, genetics, or fat distribution concerns, and to adjust your plan. Also, prioritize hydration, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and cut alcohol and high-sugar foods. These small steps improve recovery and visible outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.